Hi everyone, in today's video we will talk about this question number 17 from this website. And here this question is very simple, straightforward. Its output is 25. So we will first run this program on Linux operating system using GCC compiler and VI editor. Then I will try to explain the each and every statement of this program. So for that let me first let me create a simple program, the same program. Okay, for that I will create one small directory so that I can separate my program. I will just call it Monday_2. I'll go inside this directory using cd, and then I don't have anything here. I will create a file. Name can be anything. For now I will give this name as main.c, and I will open it. After this I will go into insert mode, and since I have already programmed there, I don't want to write everything from scratch. I'll just copy it from here and paste it. I'm in insert mode. You can see you can go reach an insert mode by pressing I, and after that I will just do right click. You may get this pop-up, and you just need to say I. Okay, so after that I don't see any header file included here in the program or the question, so I will include this. So we are using just printf here. So for printf we just need one header file, that is stdio.h. this is here, and then everything is good. So let's save this file and try to compile this. So to come out of insert mode, I need to press escape, shift semicolon, then WQ. WQ means writing quit. I will save. Then I will compile it using GCC. So the syntax is GCC main.c, and I want to specify the output file name. Then I can say main.out or whatever. It can be any name or any extension. I just compile it. It got compiled. To make sure it has been compiled, we can just check this file. So main.file has been created. Instead of doing dir, we can do ls-ltr, and basically that will also show you the timestamp. This has been created. This is the binary file. How we can run it? /main.out. So if you run it, you will see this output 25. So to make it better, to make the program better, let me do one thing. Before printing the count or after printing the count, I will just add one more new line statement, so that I'll compile one more time. And yeah, I've added that new line character so that I don't see this 25 output and the next line stuff on the same line. So I have compiled one more time. I will run one more time again, so I can see 25. Now let me show you why this program is 25. Program is giving output as 25. I'll open that file again in VI editor. So see here, there are 4 variables: I, j, and k, and count. And count we are initializing to 0. Now this is the first loop. We should call it outer for loop. This for loop is initializing I to 0, and the condition is I less than 5. So this for loop will run 5 times. That is, it will run for 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. These many times it will run. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This means 5 times this will run. And this is the inner loop. This will also run 5 times, starting from j's values from 0 to 5. And but the thing is, for each run of this for loop. So let me erase this thing. So let's say when it ran it for ith value of 0, the very first run, it will come here. It will check 0 less than 5, that is true. Now for that, for each value of I, or for each iteration of outer for loop, this loop will run 5 times for j value starting with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So for each value of each iteration of outer for loop, this inside for loop will run 5 times. So for 0 it ran 5 times. Similarly for 1 it will run 5 times. For 2 5 times. For 3 5 times, 4 4 5 times. So hence basically this count plus plus will be executed 25 times. That's why, and this is post increment operator. Even if I'm doing here pre increment operator, like instead of doing count plus plus, if I do plus plus count, that will not make any difference here. Still the output would be 25. So here after print, after the outer for loop, we are coming here and printing %d and count value is 25. That's why we will print 25. Now, for your interesting thing in this program, count is this count. Sorry, j. This is dead variable. We can remove this. We don't need that variable. And if I want to improve it, like if you want to play around with this, you can try one more thing. Instead of doing count plus plus, you can try plus plus count. You will not see any difference in the output. And one more thing, we can remove this line number. We can enable the line number using colon set any command. Line number 15 is extra. Instead of having a separate printf statement to print new line character, we can just print slash in here itself after printing this, and we can remove this line number 15. Let me compile this, and it has been compiled. I clear the screen and I will see whether we have binary file produced or not. It has been produced. Now I'll run it. So you see the output is same. So that was one minor change. If you want to play around with this, you can modify this program, and instead of using for loop, you can use while loop, do while loop, or do while loop, whatever you want. And you can also play around this program using break statement, like before count plus plus, before this line, you can check if you do put a break here, what will be the behavior of this program. So that's all I want to explain in this video. Thanks for watching it. If you like it, please do subscribe. Thank you.